Hello everyone. Today's session is about HCF, LCM and Fibonacci. Let's begin with HCF, LCM. Now this is something that you have been doing since kids, so I'm sure HCF, LCM as a concept is nothing new to you. Let's just quickly revise what they mean. HCF, right, is the highest common factor that divides some numbers. So it has to divide the numbers and it has to be highest. For example, if we are looking at numbers like 144 and 384, then a lot of numbers divide 144 and 384, numbers like 2, 3, but we want to find the highest number that divides, and that would be 48. 144 is 48 into 3, and 384 is 48 into 8. So whatever is left, 8 and 3, after you divide by 48, right? They should be co-prime. So they should not have any common factor. And then you know that what you are left, what you picked up, right? 48, that has to be the HCF. So HCF is the highest number that divides 2 or 3 numbers, right? LCM, on the other hand, is the lowest number that's a multiple of these numbers. So for example, if now I have to find the LCM of these two numbers, a lot of the hard work has already been done. 384 is a multiple of itself. Now I need to ensure that 384 is a multiple of 144 also, right? And that can happen if I just multiply this whole thing by 3. So this will become a multiple of 144 also and 384 also. This number will be 1152. So 1152 is a multiple of both 144 and 384. Now in CAT, you never will have questions that will ask you to simply find HCF or LCM. You will have word problems where you have to decide what you need to find, right? Whether you need to find HCF or LCM. And I'm not going to trap you by saying that just look for a word like greatest. If there is greatest in the question, then the question has to be HCF. No, this need not be true, right? So instead, just look at what you need to do to the numbers. If the 2, 3 numbers like 144 and 384, if they have to be divided into smaller parts, then most probably you're looking at HCF. Whereas if you want some number to be divisible by these two numbers, then you're looking at LCM. So with these few basic tricks, let's start looking at the questions.